So we got some flags. A Russian flag. And we go skull and bones for the children. Woo. And it's stuck.
So we've had fun again. We obviously haven't prepped the boat ready. Halyard fun and all that jazz. But we're now sailing finally. Just reattaching the dinghy and all sorts. We've got 4.7 and we're on beam 90 degrees. Maybe you can give us a bit of advice. I've got the Genoa out. See if we can see. We've got it reefed. We've got them both on the reef at the moment because that's how we roll it at the moment. This is the main. At the moment we've got the tails wiggling a little bit. It's a shape. I've got the kicker on. I've got the sheet out a little bit and the car on the Traveller out to the side a bit. Any maybe when it's oh, let me go.
So this is Hydra, is it Hydra Island?
This was Hydra.
Yeah, I know, but what's this place here? Pretty place?
Hydra. Port of Hydra.
What's the speed, Chris?
6.8.
6.8, nice.
We were going 7 knots earlier, but now we're going 6 again.
It's nicer to be up on the top there.
But true, every now and then it does
Wind's
like...
dropped to 10, we're doing 6.15.
Prove it by looking at the engine, it's off.
Yeah, engine is off. With 10 knots on the beat, 6.2 knots. We are reefed a little bit just in case some gusts come along.
Oh, this time you actually see.
Bag was a mess. Sort the bag out.
Just noticed a sunken ship
position. So this is our anchor position. We've checked our anchor. Now there's a boat there.
over there.
Right, we've got a boat next to us here, which is kind of equal to us. And you've got a blue boat there. My battery's flat. Battery's flat, that's why the alarm's going off, not because of us slipping. sleeping, wake up, your anchor alarm is going off. You're going to get mud. Oh, you already have. Okay, goodbye. See ya.
That anchor's on the boat.
Yeah, I didn't anchor, see. Well, there's rain over there. You know what we should have brought with us? Bottle.